Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for the 1st of March, beginning of meteorological spring, the beginning of the tornado season in March this year, coming in like a lamb. Yeah, let's go to some of the sunrise shots this morning, captured from the Skycam network, about 6:50. That's the Trussville Skycam. Really nice look there at the sunrise, coming over Bald Rock Mountain. There's the sunrise view coming from Cullman this morning at the same time. Fantastic. And this afternoon, we'll take a look at the view coming from Mount Cheaha, looking right down the spine of the Talladega Mountains on a beautiful, cloudless, comfortable March day. Dry air covers the deep south, zonal flow, and things will be quiet through midweek. Temperatures, by golly, they're about where they should be for this time of the year. Readings are mostly in the upper 50s and low 60s. These are 2 o'clock observations. Birmingham sitting at 61. Gadsden, a couple of degrees warmer. They've got 63. And the warmer spots are down to the south. We've got 68 for Alexander City and 67 for Montgomery. By the way, the average high today, 62. So again, we're right there at that. And around the nation, we see some warmer air coming up through Texas and the southern plains, and very cold air nosing down into the northern states from Canada. Temperatures, in fact, at midday are still below zero on the Canadian border. And don't you know, they're dying for the kind of air we've been having here lately. But that milder air will spread in here, so we're expecting a gradual warming trend over the next couple of days. On the watch warning map, things are nice and quiet around the nation. A few issues up in the northwest. That's about it. There's the QPF chart. Numbers are coming up. This is the rain valid through Sunday morning, so this takes into account our weekend system. And this is suggesting rainfall amounts of over 1.5 inches for much of Alabama. The bullseye, just southeast of Memphis with 3.3 there. And we'll take that. We didn't get a whole lot yesterday. And anything we get this weekend will be good. I know the timing is not good, but keep in mind rain deficiencies are mostly in the 3 to 6 inch range for the year. And this is just the 1st of March, so we don't like to see the year starting off this dry. We'll check the GFS. This is noon tomorrow at 500 millibars. Light west to northwest flow aloft. Down below that, very dry air. Beautiful day. Sunny with a high close to 70. Thursday, how about low 70s? We'll be up in the low to mid 70s. Both the GFS and the NAM are printing 73 as the winds veer to the south. And then Friday, the moisture opens up. And again, what we'll do is just mention the chance of a few widely scattered showers, not a rainy day at all. And again, we'll probably be in the low 70s. Model output statistics look way too cool, as they have been doing for the last 2 weeks. All right, what about this weekend system? There's a look at Saturday, and there's the trough coming in. Down below that, this is noon Saturday, coming off the GFS. The surface low is south of Chicago with the trailing front. By the way, these are new GFS graphics from Inset. They look awfully nice. And again, this is suggesting really the big show is Saturday night. That's Saturday night at midnight. The surface low is east of Detroit with a trailing front coming in here. And again, some pretty good rain. That's showing rainfall amounts of over 1 inch with a trailing front. And if this is right, you know, with the main surface low so far north and the better support so far north, just maybe we'll get away with a squall line without too many severe weather problems. And then Sunday, it's gone. This is noon Sunday. And most of the action is well off to the east. But let's look at the European with a better track record. This is midday Saturday. And I'll tell you now, this model is going to be more aggressive with severe weather. This has rain moving in during the day Saturday, and there's Saturday night at midnight. The surface low on the European, instead of being in Canada, is closer to Nashville, 1,000 millibars. With a band of storms coming through, this is midnight Saturday night. Those could easily be strong to severe. And again, it's had a pretty good track record this season. And then midday Sunday, the whole thing is winding down, although wraparound moisture impacts the northern part of the state. Clouds, maybe some light rain or drizzle, and that would suggest we won't get out of the 40s. Look at the 540 line all the way down to Montgomery. That'll be a cold, raw kind of day. Let's go to Monday of next week. Back to the GFS. Will be dry. And Monday morning now, hey, I think we might hit one of those late season freezes the more we look at it. The GFS is showing 33, and if The NAM is right. It could be colder than that. Here's Tuesday of next week. Start to warm up a little bit. Let's go out there to the 9th, the middle of next week. There's the next rain opportunity setting up. And again, maybe some storms. Hey, it's March. Any system this time of the year can bring some big storms. And finally, the end of the forecast on the 17th. Another good-looking trough, another potential stormy setup there. But, of course, we all know that's way out there in the land of voodoo. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 a.m. tomorrow. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.